Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to episode 10 of Eugene's Pokemon Fire Red Nuzlocke. As you can see off screen, I trained Bwwweeeeewwwoop and Wiz Khalifa to level 17, just so that they could compete. So now, let's advance on this route. First battle against the bug type trainer, pointing out the obvious fact that there aren't many bugs out here. Thank you, John Madden. So we got our favorite Pokemon, the Weedle, up. So I think we'll bite here. Hopefully we won't get poisoned, please. God damn it. Seriously, it's definitely a curse. The Weedle curse. I think another bite should do it, but after that, I mean, I don't know. These Weedles are killing us. Okay, Caterpie. That's a little better. I think I'm gonna have to use an antidote here. And maybe heal. Only have 2 antidotes. Only 1 after this. String shot. I could not care less. I mean, Bwwweeeeewwwoop is pretty fast, but 2 bites should do the trick here. Yeah, it just shows how fast he is. Or she is, I guess. She's probably slower now, though. Yeah. Congratulations on the 4 damage, Caterpie. So, yeah. I do like Meowth, especially probably because the anime is one of my favorite characters. Another bite should do the trick. And yeah, hopefully we won't get poisoned. Let's hope. Yeah, we didn't. We beat the Weedle that time. Although, our luck, sadly, will not be that much improved. I'll use a potion real quick. Yeah. Then on to the next battle. Who's there? Quit listening in on us. Oh my god. The NPCs in this game are hilarious. This guy's a Squirtle. It's actually pretty cool. He definitely could have evolved it though. But it's actually kind of cool facing someone else other than your rival who has a starter. I don't know, a cool little touch they had. Hopefully. Oh god. These flinches though. Bwwweeeeewwwoop coming in clutch. Oh my god. Bwwweeeeewwwoop is clutch, bro. Clutch. Oh jeez. I didn't realize how clutch she was. Payday. She's getting paper. Bro, oh my god. This is crazy. Bwwweeeeewwwoop turned herself into a legend. Jesus Christ. Okay, now we're gonna switch off to our second new addition, Wiz Khalifa. Excuse me, this is a private he just said that. Oh my god. Picnicker Nancy would like to battle. Let's send out Wiz Khalifa. Let's do a Bullet Seed. Ooh, Hyper Feint, that's gotta do a lot, yeah. I mean, I could use Absorb, but Bullet Seed will do more damage. So, hopefully we can get some good hacks here. Oh my god. That was good, that was good. We'll use an Absorb here and should finish the job. Wiz Khalifa. Also clutch. And high. GG Rattata. Pikachu. I'm pretty sure grass has the advantage in this matchup. Because I'm pretty sure electric isn't effective against grass. But my defense is really low now. I'm actually kind of worried. But what will this thing use? Thundershock? Thunder Wave. Yeah, I think I want to switch out because I really don't want to deal with this. Switch out. I think Pussy could handle this. Double team, ew. Oh, God. Just make it rain. Make it rain. Oh my God. So clutch. So clutch. She really making it rain. So we're gonna pull out a Paralyze Heal here. And then a potion. But our new recruits are doing very good today. It's been a good start. Okay, this is a bug type person, so I do not want to be using Oddish. Switch in. Yeah. Oh, I never seen you around. Are you good? You could say that. You could say that. Undefeated. Never lost a Pokemon battle. So I guess I'm pretty good. Level 20 Butterfree. We'll make it rain up in this hizzy. Sleep Powder. So you're gonna play like that, Butterfree. It's gonna be like that. I see. I see. Yeah, I think we're just gonna... Flanders. Sir Flanders will not take any of this bullshit. Okay, my question here is, if I was asleep, and assuming you didn't know I was gonna switch out, why would you why would you confuse me right after you put me to sleep? Do you realize how much sense that makes? Like zero. Literally zero. But that's the AI for you. I feel like they know you're gonna switch. Like the AI, they hacked the game and know you're gonna switch, so they do whatever move they would if you didn't, or if that Pokemon was in. But really, I do hate poisoning. It's like, so it's one of the most annoying things. Like, I mean, burning's just as bad, but I feel like you get poisoned so much more often. Like, how many times do you get burned? Like, I've not gotten burned once, but I've gotten poisoned like 7 times. And we have 2 gym badges. That is a problem. Our last antidote. And do I have anything for sleep? Do I? Oh shit, I do not. Looks like we're putting Wiz Khalifa up front, because I really don't feel like getting anything. Double battle. Put Wiz Khalifa and Big Jeff. Double battle. Or is this just a single battle? Oh, I guess it's a single battle. That's odd. Yeah, we're gonna have to switch out here. Switch out into our boy Flanders. He'll clean up the trash. Hopefully Flanders will get that flying type move soon, because Gust is not that good. Like, we should be able to one-hit these things, but Gust blows, so I guess it's not gonna happen. Yeah, I think we're gonna learn Sleep Powder. Sleep Powder, I'm gonna get rid of, Stun Spore. I don't know. I think Poisoning and Sleep are the 2 most annoying ones to deal with. Yeah. So there we go. Pidgey Yeah, I don't really see a point in switching. I mean, what's this thing gonna do? I don't really want to heal either. At least until after the battle. Yeah, I think I might have to heal right now. But anywho, that was dealt with. Yeah, I'm gonna heal right here and then move on. So yeah, that'll wrap this battle up. We still have another one to go. That's no big deal. So Flanders level 22, match and Cecil. Yeah, we'll advance. I think this is our last battle before we get to Vermilion City. And from there, I think we're gonna get our bike and then maybe get an encounter in Diglett's cave. Ugh. Yeah, I don't want to risk anything. Just put in Bwwweeeeewwwoop. Because, I don't know, Big Jeff can take at least some of these hits. Karate chop this thing. Good job, Big Jeff. Raticate. Yeah, we're not gonna switch out. Another karate chop should do the trick. So yeah. GG's. So here we are, Vermilion City. Heal up real quick. So what we're gonna do here is actually go. We're gonna go to this place. This is the Pokemon Appreciation Club. What you want to do is talk to this guy, and then this guy goes on forever. You get to listen to him talk, and he talks about his like obsession for, I guess, a Rapidash. And what we got was a bike voucher, which gives us a free bike at the bike shop in Cerulean City. And that is extremely helpful. Well, it's how we get our bicycle. I mean, there's no really other way, because I think it's like $1 million. So, yeah. So, I think we're going to go... Next time we'll go on the SSN, but I think we're going to get our... We're going to get our Diglett encounter. So... Let's put up... Yeah, Wiz Khalifa's good. Actually. Let's get our Diglett. Or Doug Trio, actually, I think you can get to. Level 19. They are good levels. I think Absorb won't kill it, because Absorb isn't really that powerful of a move. And then a Pokeball, I think, should do the trick. I don't think this will kill. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. Yeah, and I think we got ourselves a Diglett. So I think we'll name this Clarice. I think we actually have time to get our other encounter. Right here. See what our encounter here is. A Spearow. Well, that's cool beans. I think we'll just sleep powder. Yeah, I think we should just catch it from here. I think a sleep Spearow is enough. Hold on, I may be wrong. So yeah, we got a Spearow. So we're gonna call it T-Mac in honor of one of my friends who was transferring. So we got T-Mac. So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna end off the episode. Next time we're going to the SSN, and I think we're gonna add Diglett to our team for the gym, and we'll see what we do from there. Sayonara.